look like?
It is very cool, but we don't know till now. Let's unbox it really fast.
Okay. So,
Unbox,
then,
play.
okay.
It will be unboxed in 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Now unbox it.
So there is the mouse. It is a little bit long and large because of these LED lights.
Okay.
There is the DPI switch, the scroll, and there is a grip here to get a good grip on it.
Okay, so what is written in the box? You can see
Gaming mouse.
it is gaming mouse M100 and it has 2 DPI adjustable modes. And what are the other things?
2 color variants are available, white
Yeah.
and black.
Yeah. And you see the MRP is $599. But if you buy from the link given in the description, you will get 10-20% of
Yeah,
discount.
nothing
And
else.
nothing else, and something inside. This is
Yeah.
maybe manual.
Let's see it. Product notice.
So this is product notice. This
Product
is
support.
yeah.
This is I think instruction.
Yeah, something instruction
And
manual type of thing.
Warranty card.
Product warranty card. Okay, it is also coming with warranty. I don't know how much warranty it has. So definitely it will be written over here, but nothing
I
specially
think
written over
is
here.
something written, but because of this sticker we can't see it.
Okay. So what? Sorry. What it is saying? It is USB port. System requirement is USB port. You should have compatibility Windows 7, 8, Windows 10, Mac OS, and connection type USB wire. Number of buttons 4. So nothing special. It's and the cable length is around 0. It is not written over here. Cable length.
But it is very
Yeah, cable
long.
length is written over here. 1.6 meter. So
Very
it's long. So let's connect it with my laptop
Yeah.
and see how it works. Definitely it will work fine. But how this LED will work and how it will glow and what are the colors, let's check it.
But there is no additional software for this RGB LED light.
Yeah, it is actually plug and play type, so you don't need any additional software. So if you install or if you connect with your laptop, the software automatically will be installed in your laptop.
Yeah, but there is no additional software provided by HP for this RGB lighting.
Okay. So I am just starting my laptop so that I can connect my new mouse with my laptop and I can see how the software will install and how the LED will get on.
Yeah.
So just it will take some time to get it on.
Yeah, and here also in this USB port also there is the branding of HP.
Yeah.
And there is a game type look.
Okay. So my laptop is on.
So the laptop is on. Let's plug this into the laptop.
Yeah. So in my laptop there are few USB ports is already there. So I will connect with one of the USB port. As soon as I connect, there should be some indication of software installation. Let's see.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can see the installing software, it is coming.
And here the lights are glowing.
You can see these are the light. This is green and the software installation is searching for Windows update. So if you don't have internet connectivity, what you can do, you just go there and just keep obtaining, click it. So the software will be installed automatically. And you see the LED light is changing. Initially it was green, then red. Again
Every
you
5 seconds it changes.
yeah, so
Blue.
it's really beautiful.
Yeah, you can
Now
play
it is
light
blue right now. Yeah, so you can see the software is installed
and the mouse is working now.
and the mouse is also working. It is close,
Let's.
so you can see.
There's a DPI scroll and left and right.
You can see it is now almost violet, then every time it is color is changing. And back side as usual, this is the sensor light. And what are the other things? It is also written over here. It is for gaming purpose. Gaming mouse M100. Rated is DC 5 volt, 100 milliamperes. Serial number, everything is written over there. And it is made in China again. So you can see the color. Yeah. So you can see the color again changing. So it is really beautiful. You see the color again changing by himself. So you don't need to do anything. And play with it.
Yeah. So we are playing a game with this RGB HP gaming mouse. So the performance and the sensitivity is really nice.
Yeah, you can see, and also changing the color. It's really look nice and beautiful.
Yeah. You can use this for gaming as well as for normal business or office work.
Okay. So you mean to say it is not only dedicated for gaming, you can use it for your business work also, for office work also, for personal work also, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see we are playing this game. Arvind is playing this game by this mouse only.
Yeah, but my driving is bad.
It will improve with your age.
Yeah. So you can see we can rotate this very good, and when we will scroll it doesn't do any sound.
Okay.
I like this gaming mouse because it handles it very well, and the most cool part is it has RGB lighting, which is very good, and its quality is of plastic, but it is very high quality.
Okay.
If you want to buy this mouse, click the link in the description and enjoy with this mouse. So bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button, press the subscribe button and set that notification bell to on all, and